The Internet is at the center of the information revolution we hear so much about today. It connects people and organizations worldwide, eliminating traditional limitations of time and distance. The possibilities are vast. There is no turning back. At its core, the Internet is an amalgamation of independent computer networks. In the early 1990s, when the Internet was open to commercial business traffic, large carrier companies like AT&T, MCI, and Sprint used their fiber optic backbones to connect the major cities across the globe with data routers. Other routers, located inside metropolitan area exchanges or network access points, connect the large global backbones to regional and metropolitan area networks. The national networks peer with each other inside these exchange points, sending data from customers of one across to customers of another in a seamless way that is transparent to the end user. The data may make several hops from network to network as it is routed to its final destination. All this data is segmented into data packets using TCP/IP. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol. It is the universal method of transmitting data across the Internet. For business purposes, the Internet may be thought of as a global extension to the corporate local area network. Any networking task that can be done over a LAN can be done across the Internet. The main differences are speed, quality of service, and security. Security remains a top concern for corporations because the Internet was not designed to be a secure environment. To address this concern, businesses typically turn to three basic technologies: firewalls, tunneling, and encryption. A firewall, as its name suggests, acts as a barrier to unauthorized access. An access router in a firewall screens headers or addresses of data packets and blocks the entry of unauthorized packets of information, thereby blocking unauthorized users. Tunneling, which uses a specialized security server on the corporate network, is also a means of securing data. When a remote user wishes to connect to the corporate network, a tunnel request is issued to the destination security server. The security server then authenticates the user and creates the other end of the pathway, or tunnel. To ensure the highest degree of privacy, encryption can be used. The sender's outgoing message is encrypted or scrambled using a complex code. The recipient server then uses a code key to unlock the message. Using firewalls, tunneling, and encryption, a company can securely extend the local area network across the wide area via the Internet. In this way, businesses can connect their headquarters to branch offices, mobile workers, telecommuters, vendors, suppliers, strategic partners, and customers. The range of enhanced and cost-effective capabilities grows with the increased connectivity. The Internet provides a relatively low-cost, easy-to-use way to communicate. It's very easy to send email, and not much more difficult to have a meeting over the Internet, where people in different locations can collaborate and work on the same documents in real time. The Internet also provides access to rich media information around the world, and people use it for the fun of browsing and learning more. From distance learning and online training to news and entertainment websites, the Internet has opened an enormous range of possibilities. The way businesses work begins to change as they take advantage of these new possibilities. Smarter, faster, better. There's no turning back, so you might as well dive in and enjoy this amazing new world.